This is what I've been going for. This money shot, so that when all of this stuff is grown out and filled in and mature, it will be almost gasp worthy when you come through the gate. And how I am achieving that is a plant I'm a little bit obsessed with right now. I have shown it to you in the past. I kind of thought I might want it up on the steps, but I have changed my mind on that. And it is Platinum Beauty Lomandra. Now this is hardy only down to zone 8, but that's why I've got it in pots, so I can bring it in. But when you come and you get the long view over here to this planter box, and I will be putting in one more stepping stone here, it looks absolutely stunning flanking either side of the planter box. I love the way when you come into the backyard, it's a completely different emotional vibe because the color palette is different. There's lots of grays. It has more of a Pacific Northwest vibe to it, I think, more, maybe even a little bit Mediterranean or coastal. And because of that, I wanted a different color palette. And the Platinum Beauty Lomandra gives me just the color, kind of neutral color palette that I want, and definitely a different, more cascading form for all of these plants to play on.